Franklin County Noxious Weed Control Board is currently working on a white bryony project that is funded by a multi-year grant. White bryony is an aggressive perennial vine which thrives in moist, shady environments. It is classified as a B-designated noxious weed in Franklin County. All parts of the plant are poisonous to humans and livestock. White bryony is often found growing under the canopy of Russian olive trees, but will also climb fences and other structures, originating from a tuber much like a potato. Stems will climb the shady canopy of the Russian olive, and when reaching the exterior of the tree, its leaves and stems begin to scorch from sunburn. Unfortunately, by this time, the plant has already flowered and set seed. Birds are the primary spreader of the seed. As part of an early detection rapid response effort, Franklin County received funding in 2013 for white bryony work. The funding was used to survey and map locations where white bryony was identified. Approximately 210 acres in Franklin County were found to be infested, many occurring in sensitive habitat areas. As part of a continuation of this project, Franklin County Weed Board recently received additional funding. The multi-year grant allows for an integrated approach to control, combining chemical controls with physical removal. Since white bryony is a recent addition to the noxious weed list, not much information is available about herbicide controls. Digging up the tubers is a good option. However, they can be difficult to access when growing in the center of thorny Russian olive branches. Many of the infestations found in Franklin County occur on agency-managed lands. Franklin County has partnered with several agencies in control efforts, many of which will provide goods and services over the grant timeline. Last month, 18 test plots were completed in habitat management units managed by the Army Corps of Engineers. Staff will monitor these sites for the effectiveness of the herbicide trials. In the spring of 2019, staff will revisit the sites to check for regrowth and determine which herbicide combinations worked best. Staff also expects the treatments will open up the canopies of the Russian olives, making the tubers more accessible for digging up with the help of volunteers. Also, the herbicide test results will be shared with county weed boards across the state.